Back out at the lot for a little bit with Garrett. Oh my goodness, dude. A good first one of the day. I would like to get it past the mailbox today. I did it once the other day off camera. Well, that ain't it. Also, I'm wearing my gear again. I'm gonna try to get better at wearing my elbow pads. They seem to make me want to push myself a little more. Damn it. I'm trying to slow it down, drop it back. I just can't get myself to get it high enough that quick. It's all good, we're warming up though. My man breaking out the stand-up tricks already. I gotta get a handbrake. Damn it. Past the mailbox, baby. I don't care if we're chasing it out. We're going past the mailbox, baby. Woo! Let's go. I did chase it out towards the end there, but it's all good. Oh! I felt myself just gripping, like holding super tight on the bars that time. Oh! A little much, a little much. Oh shit! Oh. Huh?
Wheelie time!
Wheelie time. It really is, dude.
Yes, sir.
Those are bad though. I should not be like, shouldn't be that high in the RPMs. That was me slowing it down a little bit, but I got scared. brother. It gets too like choppy. Damn it, dude. Every time I go to dip back, every time I want to dip it back, I'll lose it, man. I'm getting there. I'm getting the feel of it. Man, look at the lug nuts on that thing, dude. Holy. See the lug nuts on those fucking front wheels? They're like that fucking long.
Are they?
But they're not like a spiky kind. They're just like nuts.
What the fuck? On the truck?
Yeah, on the front wheels on that orange truck. Oh. I can't look over. Oh. If I had $1 for every time I stalled today, I'd have $2. Out here stunting. Circles! Circles! He's doing circles. I can't do sit downs. I never really could. Oh, fuck.
Right leaning back a little bit.
It's like every time I get it to get up into like that balanced floaty feeling and it starts coming, I'm like, all right, well, but I'm like scared to do it too much, so I'm slow on getting it back.
Yeah.
And it starts speeding up.
I mean, unfortunately, you just got to go straight to it.
Yeah.
I know you're fucking pushing your brake. I can hear it driving.
Yeah.
The rotor.
I need a new one, bro. It's so bad.
I think mine are glazed a little bit, to be honest. These are OEM pads from 21.
I'm assuming these are probably the stock ones too.
Yeah.
I'm just assuming everything but the bars, pipe, and chain is all stock from when he had it, so. I've almost doubled the miles on it since getting it. It had like 3,300. I'm at 59.
I'm at 7K.
Hell yeah.
You rode a lot more than me, I think.
I'll be riding the fuck out of this thing. Fuck your low mileage bike. Go ride your shit. jipped it back right there. Oh, he's going downhill. Kind of fuck around with the angles. Oh, what am I doing? I've had like 2 or 3 like actually go back, like dips.
Just about flipped over.
Huh?
I just about flipped over.
Just down there?
I do my stand-ups in second gear. And I stood up in first, didn't really pay attention, so I whacked the throttle, fucking went.
Oh shit, dude. If you're gonna loop, get it on camera.